Australian immigration process normally consists of three steps. The first step is to have the skill assessment. So in this step, you apply for skill assessment with the relevant authority in Australia. For example, if you're a cloud engineer, you will be applying with the Australian Computer Society. And then for that, you would need certified copies of your degree, transcripts, and registration certificates. Then next step is to apply for nomination with Government of Australia under 189 category nomination, and this will give you around 5 points out of 15 to reach your 65 points criteria, and you would need a positive report of your assessment and IELTS score. Then the final step is to apply your case with Department of Home Affairs, where you'll get the file number from DHA, and then medical, and then visa. Here, visa for you and your family kids under 21 years will be filed, and it could take from 3 to 5 months. The time to complete the whole process is from 8 to 12 months, or maybe more, depending upon your profession and situation. Also, one last thing to remember is that all documents which are not in English must be translated and certified. I hope that this was useful. Thanks for listening.